Building a new Flutter app usually means dealing with a massive pile of manual configuration right out of the gate. You have to wire up your routing, state management, and backend dependencies by hand, over and over again. Because of this, the first 3 days of almost any project are typically lost to non-productive scaffolding instead of writing actual features. Over time, this creates setup drift. Different developers on the same team end up using conflicting patterns to solve the same problems, which makes long-term project maintenance extremely difficult. FlutterSeed is built to eliminate this repetitive boilerplate entirely. It operates as a visual scaffolding platform. Copying and pasting from old, unmaintained starter repositories leaves your app vulnerable to outdated packages. The most reliable way to standardize your architecture is to generate a deterministic, fresh, production-ready codebase for every single new project. Step 1 is ensuring your local environment is ready. You will need a local Flutter SDK installed, your preferred IDE, and an active device emulator. Instead of staring at a blank canvas and wondering where to start, you begin the process by selecting a pre-configured template. The Feature First Starter template provides an optimal, highly scalable baseline for organizing your logic. Starting from one of these built-in configurations lets you completely bypass the initial hours of creating folders and mapping basic dependencies. Whether you are an indie developer building an MVP or a large enterprise scaling an engineering team, using an opinionated preset ensures your application's foundation remains completely consistent. Once you choose a template, you enter the visual architecture graph. This is where your stack decisions become tangible objects you can manipulate. The interface isolates your primary architectural choices, like state management, routing, and your backend, into distinct modifiable categories. If you need to change the default state management, you simply select your preferred production-ready system, like Riverpod, and it updates in the graph. Next, establish your navigation rules. The routing module attaches seamlessly to the main application body, locking into GoRouter. Finally, wire up your remote database layer by drawing a direct path to Firebase, fully illuminating your connected stack. Manipulating these visual nodes eliminates the need to cross-reference disparate package documentation or manually resolve dependency conflicts in your pub/spec file. Because the platform understands how these nodes map to one another, it ensures your final architecture stays strictly feature-first, regardless of the exact packages you decide to select. Translating abstract technical decisions into a visual drag-and-drop workflow ensures that every project begins with a structured architecture rather than an unorganized blank slate. Now that your graph is set, the platform's templating engine reads your exact visual configuration to prepare the export. The engine translates all of those visual nodes into a core scaffold config file. This acts as the DNA for your codebase, generating a downloadable zip containing your entire project. If you prefer to stay in the terminal, you can bypass the browser entirely. The FlutterSeed CLI lets you trigger this exact generation process straight from your command line. Once downloaded, your next step is to extract the zip file and run flutter pub-get to lock all of your local dependencies in place. By compiling these configurations dynamically through a centralized engine, the platform removes human error from the scaffolding process and delivers highly predictable deployments. With the dependencies locked, open the freshly extracted project folder inside your local IDE to review the generated code. Inside the core library folder, you'll see a structured feature hierarchy. The platform has already configured the necessary files for your custom theming, for dark mode, and environment variables. The generation is precise. Out of the box, this interconnected structure passes every strict Flutter lints rule without any manual intervention. The final step is to execute Flutter Run and launch the code onto your active device emulator to verify that everything compiles perfectly. For teams and agencies, standardizing the foundation through these presets simplifies the onboarding process. When every project follows the same architectural rules, a developer joining a new team immediately understands where the core logic and routing are located. Visual scaffolding replaces days of typing boilerplate. You can focus your energy on engineering high-value, feature-rich logic the moment you open your IDE.